Hello friends, in this video I want to show you a quick and easy way of how to change colors when you're doing this knit stitch. And you can see it looks quite nice, no signs of binding, and as you can see in this way you don't have to carry the yarn along. So when you're using the purple you go along here and then you leave it and then you start with the other color, so you don't carry the yarn along. In other techniques you have to do that. Okay, in some projects those techniques are better, but if you're going to use this technique I'll show you how to do that. Okay, let's start with the purl side. Be it the purl side or the knit side, the technique is the same. Let's purl the last green stitch as well. Okay, so now you're going to make an X shape. Okay, just make an X. Here, you see this X. When you're making the X, the important thing is that you have the old color, the green, on top. And maintaining this X, you keep on working. So how can I maintain the X and keep on working? Just wrap this yarn around, okay? You can take this away, doesn't matter because I still have the X here. And now just keep on working with the purple. So you're making, so you can leave the green now and just keep working with the purple. You gotta make an X and you make sure you have the old color on top. This is the only thing that you have to take care of. Now I'll show you how to do the knit side. Here we are on the knit side. And now we are going to change colors on the knit side. I'll show you how to do that. So first you finish all the stitches on the old color. And you make the X shape we did on the purl side once we are here, when we're changing the colors, not before. Okay, so let's finish the last 3 stitches together. Do the last one as well. Now it's time to change colors. So now we're going to make an X shape. If you forget to make this X and just leave the purple yarn and start with the green yarn, what's going to happen is that you're going to start building 2 separate parts. Instead of this one piece that grows together, you will have 2 separate parts. Okay, so this little X shape creates this little binding here, and it's hardly visible. See, it looks, I think, perfect. Okay, so this is very easy. Just make sure you make the X. So when we're making the X, we are going to have the old color, which is purple now, on top. Okay, purple is on top. Then wrap them around your fingers and don't have the yellow here like a stitch. Instead, have the X behind both needles, okay? Behind the right needle and the left needle, but still I have the X and still I have the purple on top, okay? But I just took the X behind both my needles and I do a knit stitch with my with the green. And now when I'm doing the green, you can see I will have the purple here. You see? And that little purple will create the binding here. So then you can remove purple and just keep on working with your new color. That was it. We just had our color switch. I will show both purl and knit once more. We will do those together and we will complete this video. So this is, I believe, a very easy method, and then you don't have to carry the yarn with you along, and it also saves a lot of yarn. So when feasible, I suggest you use this method. So now I will just purl until I come to the middle, and then we will switch colors together. So I'll show you how to do it on the purl side once more. Okay, almost there. So I will purl all the greens. Now, once the greens are finished, it's time to make an X shape. So put it here. So we will make an X shape, okay? But when we're making an X, we will have the old color, green, on top. So we have the X, okay? So wrap the yarns around your fingers so you can manage this situation better. And this time you can have the X in front of your both needles because you're doing a purl stitch, okay? In front of your both needles. And when you're entering the purple stitch, you leave this yarn at the back side, okay? You leave the green yarn at the back of your right needle and you enter. But I'm still maintaining the X. The X is still there. I'm just taking my right needle and putting it in front of the green yarn, and I'm making a purl stitch. And now you can just leave the green and keep on working with your purple. I hope this is clear. Just try it and you'll understand. It's quite easy. Just make an X shape, keep the old color in the front of the X and maintain the X no matter what. And that's it. That's all you have to take care of. Let's do one more knit together, one more switch and the knit side together, and then I will finish the video. So just bear with me when I'm doing these few knit stitches until I arrive at the middle. And this is the final knit. And now we put our work on our desk and we make an X shape. Hop. There you go, we have the X. Up, up. But on the knit side, you remember, we are doing the X at the back of both needles, okay? At the back of both needles. Then wrap the yarns around and take the right needle and do a knit stitch with the green. And now you can leave the purple. We're done with purple and just continue with the green. And this is it. So this is how you can easily switch colors, save on yarn, save on time. And yeah, I hope you like it. And please hit the like button. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this tip. And write down in the comments if you know any better ways to do this or any ways to improve this. I learn a lot from the comments. And yeah, consider subscribing to my channel as well. And this is how it looks on the purl side as well. So it looks quite neat, quite clean. So you can use this on any projects. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.